Hello everyone, I'm Gagana V from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. Today, I'm here to explain a subtopic of DSA subject that is nothing but our binary trees and graphs. So, let's not wait and let's start. So, before we get into the topic, first let's understand what exactly is a binary tree. A binary tree data structure is a hierarchical data structure which each node has at most two children, referred to as left child and right child. This is commonly used in computer science for efficient storage and retrieval of data and with various operations such as insertion, deletion, and traversal. Okay, so it's basically like the binary tree can have at most two children. That means it can have less than two children, but not more than two children. That is what this is trying to specify. Just give me a moment. So here we can see a binary tree where one has two children, that is 2 and 3. 2 has two children, that is 4 and 5. 3 has two children, that is 6 and 7. 4 has two children, that is 8 and 9. 5 has two children, that is 10 and 11. 6 has one children. Yes, it is still a binary tree because it doesn't have more than two children. And 7, yes, it is also still a binary tree because it has one child. Properties of binary tree. The maximum number of nodes at level L of binary tree is 2L. The maximum number of nodes in a binary tree of height h is 2h minus 1. In a binary tree with n nodes, the minimum possible height or the minimum number of level is log square n plus 1. A binary tree with L levels has at least log 2L plus 1 level. In a binary tree where each node has 0 or 2 children, the number of leaf node is always one more than the node with two children. In a non-empty binary tree, if n is the total number of nodes and e is the total number of edges, then e is equal to n minus 1. So now we are going to see the different types of binary tree which is available. So there are basically three types of binary tree: full binary tree, degenerated binary tree, and skewed binary tree. So what is full binary tree? A full binary tree is a tree which has either, sorry, okay, let me just complete. Full binary tree is a tree which has either 0 or 2 children. That is called as complete binary tree. Second one is degenerate or tree. A tree where each internal node has one child. Such a tree are performance-wise same as linked list. A degenerated or pathogenical tree is a tree having single child, either left or right child. Just give me a moment. Now, coming to the skewed binary tree. A skewed binary tree is a pathological tree in which the tree is either dominated by left node or right node. Thus, there are two types of skewed binary tree: left skewed binary tree and right skewed binary. Here you can see the left skewed binary tree and right skewed binary tree. Advantages of binary tree. Search algorithm. Binary search algorithm used in the binary structure of a binary tree efficiently search for a specific element. The search can be performed in O time complexity where n is the number of nodes in a tree. Sorting algorithm. Binary tree can be used to implement efficient sorting algorithms such as binary search tree, sort and heap sort. Database system. The binary tree can be used to store data in database system, which each node represents a record. This allows for efficient search operation and enables the database system to handle large amount of data. File system. Binary tree can be used to implement file system where each node represents a directory or a file. This allows for efficient navigation and search of the file system. Compression algorithm. The binary tree can be used to implement Humafen coding, a compression algorithm that assigns variable length code to the character based on their frequency of occurrence in the input data. Coming to the graph. A graph is a data structure, is a collection of nodes connected by edges. It's used to represent relationship between different entities. Graph algorithms are the method used to manipulate and analyze graphs, solving various problems like finding the shortest path or detecting cycle. The types of graph are finite graph, infinite graph, trivial graph, and simple graph. Finite graph. A graph G V is equal to E is called as finite graph. The number of vertices and edges in the graph is limited in number. The infinite graph is a finite number of if the number of vertices and edges in the graph is interminable. Okay, trivial graph. A graph G is equal to VE is a trivial graph if it only contains a single vertex and no edges. A simple graph. A simple graph is a pair of nodes or vertices in a graph G is equal to VE has only one edge. It is a simple graph. As a result, there is just one edge linking two vertices, depicting one-to-one interaction between two elements. Thank you. Hope you like this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe.